the jeweler, bust the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah. I'm tryna fuck you and your bestie, yeah. Chopper with this girl, so do not test me, yeah. Rip, flood, drip, go woo on a bitch. 5790, spit the cool.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my beauty space. If you are new to my channel, my name is Natasha Pickett. And of course, if you never, ever want to miss a video from me, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It is somewhere down here. I promise you, you won't be able to miss it. In today's tutorial, I know you guys are gonna come for me. Yes, I flat ironed my hair. Now let me explain why before you guys come at me. I've been doing this natural hair journey since January 19, 2018. I have not put any heat on my hair. It's almost been 3 months, but the thing that I've done with my hair, although I've been using these amazing products that I have behind me, I did not use any type of supplement to help my hair grow, meaning Hairfinity pills, any juice, or gummy bears. I have not used anything. With that being said, I take my normal vitamins, which is fish oil, zinc if I get sick, garlic, that kind of stuff, but I haven't used any type of supplements that are specific to making my hair grow. So I must say I'm pretty proud of myself with the length that I have received. Let me tell you now, yes, in the future, would I be using some type of supplement, meaning Hairfinity pills, any type of the blueberry juice? I do want to try those products out, and I'm not leaving my hair straight for a long period of time, so you don't have to worry. Where I live in Colorado, it won't even allow me to keep my hair like this. Colorado is super dry. I'll go ahead and just turn around a little bit so you can see, you know, what I'm working with. Now, I don't know what type of curls these are. I usually keep my hair bone straight, or I add some type of curl. And I also usually do a side part, not a middle part. But since everything was looking good today, I went ahead and rolled with the middle part. If you guys want to see what type of curls I get from using my curling iron, please keep watching the tutorial. So you already know I have to sit crisscross applesauce. Let's go ahead and get started. I have the products that I will be using, which is my As I Am Long and Luxe Scalp Serum. We're going to start out with this product first. So I'm going to take my hair down now. So I'm just taking basically my do-rags off. This is what I use to like keep my makeup from getting into like my hairline too bad. I love how this brush feels on my scalp. So I'm just brushing my hair. I'm gonna part the section down the middle, and we're gonna take our curling iron. We're not gonna judge this curling iron. I love it so much, I can't get rid of it. You know how you just have those old products that you're like, they don't make them the same anymore? This is one of them. And I'm starting at the root of my hair, and I am twisting the curling iron, and I'm twisting it backwards. And the hair kind of just flows through. So this is the curl that you get. I'm just gonna put it behind me. I'm not gonna touch it. Now on this side, which is my right side, I'm going to curl my hair, I guess, forward. So I'm taking this section, twisting the curling iron, and I kind of just bring the hair through to the ends. And I let that sit for a good 10 seconds. Maybe less, and that's the curl I get. I'm not gonna touch it, I'm just gonna throw it behind me. Go all the way to your ends and just bring it down. So you're just rolling the curling iron down. I don't know how to say it, like backwards. And you see, once again, you have that volume. Now if you're worried about any flyaways or any hair sticking up, you can take your flat iron. So we're just gonna leave this side alone, grabbing the right side of my hair. If you guys haven't noticed, I do stay away from my edges. That's why you guys see me kind of part up here. I try to avoid putting any heat. Now that my hair is completely curled the way I want it, I am just taking some Moroccan argan oil. This is from Hawaiian Silky, and we're going to spray my hair. Last, we're going to take our Sleek and Shine. This is our hairspray to kind of make sure everything stays in place. Let's style our hair now. Just taking a wide tooth comb, I'm just running this through my hair. You guys already know, I always appreciate the support. Let me tell you, every time I see a new subscriber, I just want to like hug you and tell you thank you. I so appreciate the support. I am seeing you guys kind of just flood in right now, and I am super excited. Thank you guys for all the support. Also to my oldies but goodies, you guys have been here since day one, and I want you guys to know that I appreciate you guys as well. Let me just give you guys a big hug. Love that you guys are coming to check out my tutorials and leave comments. I appreciate the support. You will never understand how much, every time I see a new subscriber, how excited I get. I'm on track, so you guys cannot say nothing to me. My schedule is amazing. I've been filming one video a week, so I'm super proud about that. Until my next video, I miss you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Let's rock, let's rock.